There can be several reasons behind people wanting to earn money online. It gives you an edge over conventional jobs because of a flexible schedule and independence. You can also target global markets and have customers worldwide. Most methods of online work and freelancing come with the advantage that you don't have to sell any products and make sales. Moreover, the COVID-19 pandemic has shaped a global trend of online business and more people are moving toward online shopping. This has seen an increase in business transferring to e-commerce. Furthermore, the methods of making money online are getting easier day by day. Just imagine being able to earn more than $500 just by typing names from your keyboard. It seems like a dream, right? The good news, it isn't. What's more, when you type a single word or one name, for instance, Jack, you bring in cash. And when you type another name, say for instance, Monica, you get paid once again. This is a particularly mind-blowing opportunity and an open door, and this is the way you can make as much cash as you want. When you type one page of names, you can procure $15. For 6 pages, you can acquire $90. And when you type 20 pages per day, you can acquire as much as $300. And the best thing is, there is no restriction to this. You can make however much you need, and you can bring in however much cash that you need. You can either do this on your cell phone or you can do this on your PC. This golden opportunity comes entirely free of cost and is available in every country. And now you have to make sure that you follow my instructions till the end of the video. The sign-up process is particularly very important, so hold on tight, because we're going to take you on an amazing journey of making easy money from the comfort of your homes. However, you need to pay extra attention and don't miss out on any detail, because people usually don't understand it properly and do it the wrong way. Before we start today's discussion, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. We regularly upload videos on how to make easy money online and they are very useful. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up to encourage all the people who work hard backstage to bring this amazing content to you. If ever you have any concerns, queries, questions, or opinions regarding this video, don't be shy and let us know in the comments section. We highly appreciate your feedback and try to cover all the shortcomings. Now, let us get back to the video. You can see here that at whatever point we utilize the calculator of this site, we can appraise how much cash you can acquire from this fresh out of the plastic opportunity. Take a gander at this rate per word, which implies how much cash you can earn for every word that you type, as in this case. It is 5 pennies in US dollars. Now, normally one page will have around 300 words, for instance. This one here is the first page of the lot, and this one right here is page number 2, and as we move on, we see page number 3, and so on. For each of these pages, you will be paid just by typing in the names of people. Now, let me show you a practical example by demonstrating how it works. This is the page where you can get paid up to $15 and the total words you have to write is only 300. That means you can make $1 per 20 words. That is without any doubt the easiest money you will ever make. As you can see on the screen that when I scroll down, you see that there are a total of 300 names on this page, which means that for these 300 words, you can earn $15 by simply typing names on this website. You can increase the number by any amount you want and get paid accordingly. This is a very good earning opportunity with no previous experience, skill, or investment. Take a look at these words. These 300 words can get you $15, and you will be able to receive up to 20 pages by your client every day, which means you can easily earn up to $300 or even more just by using your typing ability using this website. Now, I will tell you the process which will enable you to live up to this dream. First of all, you have to search for this website on Google. You can access this website easily at www.talentdesire.com. This website enables you to work with popular brands and earn money online. If you want to make some serious money working from home on your computer and schedule, then this online paid job is perfect for you. You can find survey jobs for all levels of experience. If you scroll down below on their website, you will see they offer various opportunities to work from home, which include online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online page surveys. There are various positions on this site where you can work. However, in this segment, we will zero in just on the typing ones since this is probably the least difficult thing that you can do on this site. And it requires no insight or tech abilities by any means. You can see here that simple typing jobs which require no prerequisites all can make hundreds of dollars for you. You can acquire $13,500 and up to $27,000 on a yearly basis. It's an excellent chance for people from any country on the planet. As far as the joining fees are concerned, you can see here that there is no registration fee at all. Now, right over here, you can see that depending on your level of expertise, you'll get paid different amounts of money, ranging from beginners with the least income and up to the experts with huge amounts of money. Now, in just a moment, I will be giving you a secret tip that will help you to earn at a higher rate. You can see here that even if you are a complete beginner with no prior experience at all, you can still get paid as much as expert level typers. And I'll show you this strategy in just a while that no one else would know. If you guys are enjoying today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. Now, let's get back to the video. So, as I promised, I will show you the first pro tip that will help you to earn a lot of money simply by typing names online. The first thing that you have to do is go to www.ratatype.com. As you can see, this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test. The first thing you'll have to do is to click on this yellow button right here, and then you are going to come over to this page, where you can now start typing on your phone or computer. The advantage of taking this typing test is that it will give you a certificate that will help you get new projects. And guess what? You are going to get this certificate absolutely free. Now, I will show you all the steps one by one in this video on how to get that certificate. The reason why you will need a typing certificate is that it will boost your income and your earning rates per page if you want to make $15 for every single page that you type. Make sure that you get this certificate because it can get difficult otherwise. This is the ultimate trick because even if you are a beginner, you have the certificate to prove to them that you can type and have the skills that this job requires. You will be accepted much quicker than the rest of the applicants, and you can get more high-paying ties and unlimited job opportunities. With that being said, this is going to enable you to get paid $300 or even higher per day by simply typing names. Once again, I'm telling you that it's very important for you to keep watching this video to see exactly how to get this certificate and how to complete your application on www.talentdesire.com. Now, as you can see on the screen, that when you start typing on this website, they will automatically start calculating how many words you type per minute, and also your accuracy, whether or not you type correct spellings or make any spelling mistakes. You can see that here your accuracy should be between 98% to 99.99%. This is a sophisticated accuracy, and to maintain this, you need to be very sharp. The higher your accuracy, the more money you are going to make. By taking typing tests and getting a certificate on this website, you can show them that your typing speed and your accuracy, and that's going to give you a higher payout rate than your competitors in no time. Now, let me show you an example of how to do these tests right now and how to get your certificate for absolutely free in less than 5 minutes. As you can see here, that once I complete the process of typing, they will show me my typing speed here. This is my genuine outcome. So, assuming your speed is slow or not the other hand, on the off chance that your exactness is lower than 98%, don't stress over it. Since you can really return to the site ratatype.com and you can truly take the composing test once more for 100% free until you get a higher speed or a higher precision. Once you get a result that you are satisfied with, you can then proceed to scroll down below and you can sign up for a free account on Ratatype by clicking on this link right here as shown. You can create a free account by inserting your data like your name, email address, and your password, so go ahead and click here. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on this yellow sign up button, and you will see here that I put my name and my email address and my password. And then I click on this one right here once I sign up for a free account. I will sign into my Ratatype account. Now you can see my name here on my dashboard. And these are the outcomes of my typing speed test and furthermore, my exactness. Now, when you look down underneath, you can see that this is my certificate. Simply click on it and I will approach this page. It peruses awarded to Jenny Adams for typing in English. And they will try and show you the mark from gratatype.com to check that the testament is genuine. This endorsement here is really great for you and you will make a lot of money and a higher rate. I believe you should continue to watch since I will help you to understand how to sign up and how to enlist and go after a typing position on talentdesire.com. And you can begin getting a typing drop-in project very much like this one here. Now, when you scroll down below, you can actually click on this print button right here. But don't worry, you can do this on your computer or you can do this on your mobile phone as well. You just have to save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click on the Save button, and as you can see here, this is the actual certificate that I got from the prototype website for absolutely free. Once you get this certificate, you can begin to apply for this job. So we are going to come over to talentdesire.com. And I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website, and I want you to click on this red button right here, which says Apply Now. And then you'll come over to this page where you can start applying for your job, but please pay very close attention and watch this video until the end, because the registration page here is actually very hidden on this website. You might get lost or fail to find the registration page if you don't watch this part. Presently, once you land on this page, simply look down beneath, and as you can see here, select an application, click on this red link here, and from that point onwards, you will approach this page, where you can see a web-based application structure for work-at-home positions. You should look down underneath and search for this red link right here, which fills in subtleties to apply and work with us. On the off chance that you can't find the registration page, ensure you rewatch the video, or you can bookmark or save this video to your playlist and rewatch this video later. When you further scroll down below on this page, you can see that you will be required to fill in your personal information. The very first thing that you'll have to do is to click on Accept the Privacy Policy and then put in your specifics, like your first name, then your last name, your email address, your contact numbers, and even your country of residence. After that, click on this down arrow and you will be able to see that they are accepting people from all over the world, including countries like Indonesia, Singapore, Pakistan, Egypt, Ukraine, UK, USA, Australia, and many more. At this point, I would want you to comment down below in order to let me know what country you belong to and where do you come from, so I can create more videos specifically for your region in the future. Now, let us move on to the next step. This requires all about your professional information, and it is a very important section. Most people do it the wrong way, and in this step, I want you to type in the job title section. Remember that it is very important to type the job title and then choose what time is most suited for your own convenience. After that, click on this down arrow right here and you can select whatever time you want. But I would advise you to choose the entire day, because that way you will be able to earn more money. Then choose the best way you want to get your earnings by clicking on this down arrow shown right here. And you can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit. I would advise that you choose PayPal. When you scroll down below this time, you can choose your current professional status, which is, in this case, I will choose self-employed. Once you fill out all the details, you can proceed and click Yes, I have read and accept the above statement. Also, don't forget your signature. Just put in your full name right here and click on I'm not a robot, and after that, just click on the Submit button, as simple as that. Whenever you're acknowledged, you can start getting the composing name jobs very much like this, as you can see here on one page. You can acquire $15 for only 300 words, and this is only one page, and afterward, for the second page, you can see another $15. And for the third page, another $15. You can procure $15 again and again for each and every page that you type. Make sure to meet the deadlines and complete your tasks on time to help you build your portfolio and to keep getting more gigs. Before we end today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon as well. Also, like and share the video with your friends, and do leave us feedback. We will see you again in the next video.